What we want to do today is to take a look at a Band 9 writing in Task 2 of IELTS to see what a structure is used in order for you to learn it and get the same score. Hey guys, Berhnush here from Ross IELTS Academy. As you might know, IELTS writing is one of the skills that many candidates struggle with. The thing is that you try and get a 6 in the end, and you always wonder why. But is it impossible to get a higher score in this skill? The answer is no. One thing that many candidates are not aware of is that as there are different question types in Task 1 and Task 2 of IELTS writing, you should follow a different paragraph structure in each, which is the key to a higher score. What we want to do today is to take a look at one in Task 2 and analyze its structure on a very good sample answer. And if you want to boost your score in IELTS writing, visit our website and get help from our writing course. You can go to www.rossielts.com. Are you ready? Let's get started. So here we have this question statement. In the past, shopping was a routine domestic task. Many people nowadays regard it as a hobby. To what extent do you think this is a positive trend? Okay guys, as you see here we have the question statement and then a question which is asking about our idea, saying, to what extent do you think this is a positive trend? Obviously this is an opinion question. It means that we should dedicate at least 4 paragraphs to it. The first paragraph would be our introduction paragraph, then the first body paragraph, the second body paragraph, and finally the conclusion paragraph. Let's now start with the introduction paragraph. Nowadays, shopping is classified as an entertainment while it was a routine task in the past. I personally agree with this idea due to its useful effects. I believe that firstly, it can be introduced as an entertaining alternative in our leisure time. And secondly, small businesses can improve financially. So as you can see, in the introduction paragraph, the very first sentence is the paraphrasing of the question statement. Then we have directly mentioned that we agree with this idea, saying, I personally agree with this idea due to its useful effects. The next step is to give at least 2 reasons on why we agree. So, we have mentioned those 2 in the following sentences, but we have given no details as they should go in the body paragraphs. Now let's see how we can write the first body paragraph. Firstly, the environment of some shopping centers is designed for individuals to spend their free time there, becoming more relaxed. This is an indisputable fact that the science of intellectual psychology is applied in these places to provide a tranquilizing atmosphere for the consumers, which can present it as a suitable area to spend the day. In addition, a majority of customers are using the moment of their purchase as a tool to communicate with other people or with their loved ones, while they are interacting with the convenient part. For example, a research carried out in California in 2018 showed that 96% of the people who spent at least 1 hour of their time in a shopping mall felt more relaxed and happier compared to the ones who had been working 24/7 and had not gotten the chance to go shopping after a long day at work. Here in the first body paragraph, we have gotten into detail of the first reason why we agreed, which was how this trend can be an entertaining alternative in people's leisure time. So, in the first sentence of the paragraph, which is the topic sentence, we have clearly mentioned it. And then, in the following sentences, we have given some explanation and finally an example using the appropriate expressions to show that. And now let's write the second body paragraph. Moreover, this trend helps small businesses and stores to get more mass by customers' reviews. This is to say, supporting this local store will make unemployed citizens have more job opportunities to work, and it will decline the percentages of homeless people. Besides, this kind of support will lead to the presence of small businesses in the social media, which will positively impact their financial progress plus the government's. For instance, according to a small business research in the University of California, during the pandemic time, many small startups that are sold online have increased their profit by 100% per year. So here in the second body paragraph, we have gotten into detail of the second reason why we agreed, which was how this trend can help small businesses grow financially. So, in the first sentence of the paragraph, which is the topic sentence, we have clearly mentioned it. And then, in the following sentences, we have given some explanations and finally an example using the appropriate expressions for that. And now let's write the conclusion paragraph, which is the last paragraph together. In conclusion, by considering the aforementioned reasons, using the prepared environment and facilities in the mall centers and helping the small business and providing better job opportunities, I finally agree that the considered movement is beneficial. So, as you see, in the conclusion paragraph, we have concluded all the mentioned details throughout the essay, paraphrasing what we had already mentioned in the introduction paragraph. Very well, guys. In this video, we had an opinion question and we wrote the essay together. So if you want to learn all the details and strategies and techniques, you can just watch this video over and over again or use our writing course to get your desired result. You can also write your own writing, send it to our examiners and get a comprehensive feedback on it, plus your score in each criteria. Take a look at the link we have put in the video description. Stay tuned for the next videos and see you very soon.
In this course, you will have a series of educational videos in which you will learn each and every tip you will need in specific details for both general and academic modules.
Next question type is double question or
Attached to each video, you will have the PDF files for each question type, including the paragraph structure, the expressions, and the techniques you can apply, which have all been taught in the videos. To make sure that you learn everything properly, in each video we will write an essay, a letter, or a report by using the tips that you have learned. Moreover, something to help you in this section is the different question samples we have put for you to write your own writing about. This isn't everything. We strongly recommend you to use our writing correction services as well, so that our examiner can give you a written and video feedback and make sure you're ready for the real test. Join us to become our next successful candidate.
Hello everybody! Do you want to know what band score you will get in your IELTS writing? Do you also need to know how to improve your writing skills for the real test? We've got the solution for you in Ross IELTS Academy. Send us your writings. We'll check them out thoroughly in less than 36 hours. You'll get the band score along with comprehensive feedback in both written and video formats. It's your time to become our next successful candidate.